Hello, welcome to Diary of a Naturalista. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made a false locks on my natural hair from scratch. So keep watching. Here I'm parting the hair. I parted 2 equal sizes at the back, and then I took another part from top of my ears to the other ear. I got this technique on YouTube. So I've parted it, and now I'm sharing my hair into two, like parting from the middle. And after parting from the middle, I took one part of the hair and divided it into 5 equal parts, as you can see in the video. 5 equal parts. This technique makes it very easy to part your hair. Next, I'm connecting the center part to the other section of the hair. So I just follow the center parting down, as you can see. And after that, I connected the 5, remember the 5 hairs that I separated. So I just connected the first one down to the middle of the hair. Now that was what I did for the remaining 5 parts. This made my parting very easy. So it's just so easy for me to do. So this is the other side. I also divided the other side into 5. That's the left part of my hair into 5, and then connected each of the 5 to the middle. And I made sure that the lines were aligned. That's the horizontal line from the left to right. They were all in the same line because they were equal as well. This locs crochet that I'm making is going to be different from what other people do. You know, when they do crochet, I noticed that when they do crochet, they thread the top part like thread. You know, when you're threading, making hair thread, and they make it so tight, and then you can see the difference where they threaded the hair to where the lock is starting from. I don't really like that style. It's just looking stiff and unnatural. I wanted my locks to be natural, as if it came from my roots. So that was what I wanted to achieve with this hairstyle. So here I'm just weaving the hair down. I didn't weave, I just wove the roots and then twisted it down. That is to make it easy for me to loosen when I want to loosen the hairs. The whitish stuff you see on my hair is the DIY flaxseed gel I did. If you want to know how to make DIY flaxseed gel, check through my videos. I have a video where I made DIY flaxseed gel for a twist out. You can find it there. The locks I'm using is called Rasta Locks by Darling Hair. The locks is very long, so I had to cut it into 2. I also got regular kinky hair, and now I'm combing it to fluff it out and make it look more natural. Now for the locks, I'm bringing it out. You know, I cut it to 2, so I'm bringing out the tip out to make it tiny for me to be able to put in my crochet, because I don't want to put a very fat stuff on my hair. You know, crochet too can cut your hair if you're not careful. So here I'm trying to insert the crochet through my hair. You see that part that I opened, that I loosened, so it can easily pass through my hair. So after that, I twist my natural hair around the crochet. You don't have to twist, you can just put it by the side, just do you. So I twisted it way down. After twisting, I take out my kinky. The kinky I already fluffed to look like my natural hair, and just wrap it around the hair. So here's what I did. Instead of threading tightly the way you take wool or threads to do African threading, I'm just wrapping it around lightly because I don't want it to be tight and stiff. I wanted it to look just like the locks that I got. So see what I'm doing? I'm just wrapping around lightly and firmly though, so that it can stick to the hair. So I just wrapped it and wrapped it way down to the end of my hair. Because my hair is long, I had to take another kinky to add and just rub down. And when I got down, I rolled it for it to match with the crochet, you get. So I used my hand to just make it uniform. So that's just it about the style. So I'm going to do a couple of them on camera so you see clearly how I made this hairstyle. By the way, if you're enjoying this video so far, do well to give me a thumbs up, do well to like my video, and if you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel. In this channel, I teach people how to style their hair, how to make simple hairstyle for work, school, and also hairstyle that looks complicated and hard to make, but I'm going to teach you the very easy way to make the hair. Just like this hairstyle, the way I parted the hair, if you part it that way, you'll not find issues, have issues parting your hair. So if this is what you would love, please follow me and also share to a naturalista that you think may need this. Thank you very much. And here's the finished look, my realistic false locks. What do you think about the hairstyle? Did I nail it? Is this hairstyle something you would like to try? Would you even try to make it on your own, or would you like to do it elsewhere, like outside via a hairstylist? Let me know what you think. And if you get to this point of the video, thank you so much for watching this far. Your watch means a lot to me. It's a way of supporting my brand. Thank you very much and have a nice day.